Oh, hey everybody, this is Jared, and I want to do a video giving you a little room tour and a little,
And I'm watching Paw Patrol.
yes, tips about the Great Wolf Lodge, Scottsdale, and that's my son. And I will just go ahead and tell you, he does, and his brother will say some things in this video. They do unscripted parts, and if you don't like kids in the video, just go ahead and skip it. You can probably find other videos. I have seen people that are really bothered by my children in the videos that I've made. So if that's you, just skip it. It's not the video for you. Anyways, okay, so here's the room tour. I'll just kind of give you the room tour real quick. There's the front door. I'm not going to go outside and show you. There is a wardrobe area with a little bench and some storage below and some storage pretty high. There was an extra pillow and a blanket in there, and obviously you can hang some stuff. We are checking out now, so it is messy. I can never do the videos when we get here because I just want to get to the fun with the kids, etc. So here's the bathroom. Nothing too fancy. Toilet, tub, shower. The water pressure is fine. There is a mat down there, a little non-slip mat. You can see the corner of it. They do give you little bars of soap in the shape of a wolf paw print, and there's also the shampoo / conditioner. It's in one, conditioning shampoo. There's also a little thing of lotion like that somewhere. The storage hair dryer. There were plenty of towels. I think there were like six sets of towels because this room could sleep 6. We just have 4. Okay, I showed you this. One thing, I'll just give you some things just that I found interesting, or I don't know, noteworthy. I came in late. I actually went to the casino after the kids went to bed. So I wanted to brush my teeth, and I didn't want to wake everybody, so I brushed them over the tub. So you know, this is just out in the open. There's the trash can and recycle down there. Okay, I mean, it's a hotel room. It is pretty big though. There's your coffee. You can make these coffee packets right here in this deal, cups, and there's, you know, a little powdered creamer and sugar. It's fine. I mean, it's not Starbucks, but I had a cup this morning. It was fine. Little storage, little mini fridge. It's not a mini bar. There was nothing in it, so it's whatever you want to put in it. And then 3 drawers there. They're just open, big open spaces. There's nothing noteworthy other than that. TV, obviously, a little bench, a little couple chairs and a table. Your window unit. Got this little coffee table looking trunk. And that is a hide-a-bed little sleeper there. So you, like I said, you could have 6 people. They could have their own little light there they could turn off. And then we got 2 queen beds. There's the boys and the mama. Hey, the boys are watching TV, so they might not say much this time. Your little table here with, you can charge, you know, USB or standard plugs. And also up here, there's some on the alarm clock that you can use. Phone, a couple more lights. Okay, standard stuff for a hotel.
And these are my new shoes.
And those are his new shoes. There you go, buddy. Nice ones. All right. Okay, so let me mention a couple things just that are, like I said, you might want to know. We booked this online. I would get on their website and sign up for I don't know what they call it, but you make a profile on the website. You become a member. It doesn't cost anything. You just give them your email address and whatever. And then you'll get emails, and they have sales like all the time. Well, I don't know. I just joined it a couple months ago, but it seems like you get an email every couple weeks about sale. We got our room for 40% off, so that was basically $99 a night. But then there's a $50 resort fee. So everything all included was like $152 something for the night. That's pretty good. And then I did when I got up actually last night when I went to the casino. This was taped on our door. So extending your stay, we have an amazing discounted rate, blah, blah, blah. I went down and checked, and it was basically another $89.99. We can't stay because we have to do some stuff tomorrow in Tucson, where we're from. But I don't know if they do that every time, but it might be worth a gamble to just book your first night. If you want to stay too, do that. Now, we checked in on a Sunday night, so it might be different if you check in on a Friday night. But, you know, it's just something to be aware of. I'll show you a couple things out the window since we do have it right here. It is pretty cool. You can see there's the casino right there. It's the Talking Stick Resort Casino. And I did go there last night if that's something you're interested in. And then I don't know if I'll be able to see it here, but I could see it at night with the lights. It's somewhere right over there. And I went to the White Castle, which is the only one in Arizona. I don't even know how many they have on the west. I don't know, it's in there somewhere on the west side of the United States, but I'd never been before, so that was a little bit fun. I went there by myself. They were all asleep. I went there like midnight.
And you went to the waterfall.
And we went to the water park and everything. So let me tell you about that. And I don't have any video of that.
It went to the waterfall.
But I'll show you. Yeah, I'm going to show them on this little map here, buddy. So I'm getting a little long on the video, but let me just show you. If you've never been before, and I don't know what the other properties are like, but I'll just kind of give you some info on the map. So here's the, let's see if I can get this. There's the wave pool. And that's, you know, we took our kids, and you can see our kids are 4 and 2. So I'll tell you kind of what's good. This is good for any age, but I mean, we went with our kids. Our 2-year-old got a little scared with the waves. But the waves aren't, I don't know, they come on every 15 minutes or something. But there's plenty of time when it's calm. This area right here is definitely for little kids. It's got like 2 slides that are, I don't know, 12 to 15 feet long. And they can go down 2 different slides. And the slide's an interesting thing. They're really heavy duty, so adults can go down any slide that's here too. So if it helps your kid, for you to go with them. But you cannot sit them in your lap. Just be aware of that. You can't sit your kid in your lap on anything. So our 2-year-old didn't want to do some of the bigger stuff by himself. And I didn't want him to do some of the bigger stuff by himself. But he did some of the little ones. Anyways, this is a little like 2 feet deep. Even when you come out of the slide, it's very shallow. And there's a little bit of like splash pad type things here. I don't know, little, you know, water spraying around, I think, if I'm remembering wrong. This is a little bar. I think it's called the watering hole. This is an area that was good for our kids too, for the little ones. I didn't see really any like junior hires or anything over 10 here. I don't know, they're all pretty small. But you can climb on it. You can go down like 4 different slides, a couple really small ones around here. And then some that were pretty decent little slides that might be like at a big public pool, pretty good sized slides, or even maybe a little bigger than that. And then they can climb on stuff, and they can shoot water, and they can turn little like handles to turn the water on, turn the water off, and there's buckets of water falling on you, and you can pull a rope and dump water. So it's, you know, interactive stuff. This is just a pool with a basketball hoop here, and there's a bunch of little like playground balls that you can shoot. And then there's like a log floating around here, you know, a big plastic log looking thing, and it's, kids can climb on it, and, you know, try to sit and balance on. I don't know, you can fit a bunch of kids on it. It's pretty big. And there's also a thing you can like hold on to some rope and walk on these floating, they're supposed to be like cross sections of a log that are floating, and you can step from one to one while holding onto the rope.
And this is the PJ Masks.
Okay, there's the PJ Masks. Let me show them. We've got Paw Patrol and PJ Masks water bottles. They're really useful for hydration. It's amazing how much they drink out of those. Okay, where was it? This is like a lazy river here. And you just float on these tubes. And we did that a few times. And the kids are okay with it, but you know, they're not going to last too long because it's a little slow. But they did like it. Here's the big slides. Now, our oldest is only able to go on one of these. I think there's 4 different slides in this area. And we only did one as a family because we can't really split up and one of us go off. It takes both of us to chase both of these guys. So we took turns with our 4-year-old going down the one. You get in a big round raft and you have to hold on to the handles. And I just don't know if our 2-year-old would hold on to the handles. So he didn't try. He didn't really care, but they look like they might be fun, but we couldn't do them, except for the one. So that's the big area, and that's where most of the bigger kids were. So the bigger kids probably going to be in this area and the wave pool. They're not going to really have much fun here or here. And then the adults, there is the bar, and we are climbing on the table, so we like to do that. Okay, so the rest of the stuff, our kids are young enough. The 4-year-old is getting to the point where it's getting harder to avoid this stuff. We're pretty frugal, so we don't want to do any of this stuff in here. You got to pay extra. There's all kinds of attractions. There's like a little bowling alley. It's not regular. It's short lanes. There's like a miniature golf, I think, right here. Oh my goodness. There's a rock climbing wall. There's an arcade. Several different things. Oh, and by the way, here's an outdoor pool. We didn't even go out there. It's December 2nd right now. We checked in on December 1st. We didn't go there. But I think it's open. Anyways, and we didn't go to any restaurants here. I don't even know about the prices or anything. We just didn't go to anything. But there's some gift shops and restaurants. This is like the central lobby. We didn't go to story time. We didn't do a lot. Our kids are just, it's hard to chase them and stuff. So we just kind of went straight to the water park and straight to the room. And this is our room. Okay. Okay, one other tip, just so you know, we did go to McDonald's for dinner last night. It's really close, but unfortunately it does not have a play area. So that's the reason we go to McDonald's, but no play area at this one that's nearby. These boys, these boys need a play area. That's why we went. Okay, so just be aware there's no play area though. You might as well just go to White Castle. Okay, towels. You can get towels down there. You just make sure you return them or they'll bill you for them. You can't just leave them in the room, I don't think. I didn't ask anyone, but they say you cannot leave them in the room. You've got to take them back down to the water park. That's fine. Okay, so also life jackets. We brought some little life jackets for our kid, literally like you'd wear on a boat, but they have them here. And I knew that, but they say first come, first serve. Well, if you check in on a Sunday at least, there's tons of them. There's a lot more like bigger kids than there are like 4-year-olds and stuff here, I think, just what I saw last night and yesterday. So we didn't need the life jackets, but we did bring them. That's what they say, first come, first serve. If they're out, you can't have them, obviously. So and you just grab them. You don't even check them out. You just grab them off the rack that's down there. I think that's enough. I've been rambling on. So there you go. There's the video. Oh, let me give you my commercial. Okay, go to my wife's website. I'll put the link down below. She's a Scentsy consultant, and I maintain the website for her, so it helps Google give us a better rank if you spend at least a minute on the website. So please do that, and click a link or two if you want to. Obviously, I can't make you do it, so it's just if you found this review helpful, please click my link. Spend 1 minute, not like 5 seconds, because that actually will hurt us by Google. But just leave it there. I don't even care if you read it. Just open it and leave it there. There it is. And if you want to buy something wonderful, do that too. Okay, I just remembered something while I'm showing you this. Let's see this. This you have to wear the whole time you're in. It's got like a little whatever, electronic chips or whatever inside there. You scan this to open your door. You scan it to get into the water park. You scan it to check out towels. I don't know what else. The kids don't scan them, but they do have wristbands as well. But that's something also to know. So there you go, your wristband. Anything else? All right. Thanks for watching. There's other videos. I've got some other hotels, some other travel things, some other Scentsy, direct sales, whatever advice, financial stuff, reviews of products I've found interesting, blah, blah, blah. Check it out, subscribe, like, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.